In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Payoneer payments to your Shopify store using Payoneer checkout on Shopify. This can be a game changer for your business by offering an additional and efficient payment method to your customers. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to expand your payment options, this guide will provide you with everything you need to know to get Payoneer set up and running smoothly on your Shopify site. First, let's talk about the benefits of using Payoneer on Shopify. Payoneer is a popular global payment platform that supports cross-border transactions and multiple currencies, which can be highly advantageous for businesses with international customers. Adding it to your Shopify store can provide your customers with a flexible, seamless, and secure way to pay, potentially increasing your sales. Let's dive into the setup process. Before you get started, ensure you already have a Payoneer account. If you don't, you'll need to sign up for one on the Payoneer website. Once you have your Payoneer account ready, log into your Shopify admin, navigate to the Settings section of your Shopify admin panel, and then click on Payments. Here, you'll find a variety of payment provider options available to you. Since Payoneer isn't a built-in option in Shopify, we're going to add it manually. In the Payments section, you will need to click on Add Payment Gateway. This is where we'll incorporate Payoneer into your Shopify store. You may need to select a third-party payment provider option that supports Payoneer. Once you select the Add Payment Gateway option, you'll be directed to input the API information needed for your Payoneer account. Now, head over to your Payoneer account to get the necessary API keys. This part is crucial as these keys ensure a secure connection between your Shopify store and Payoneer. Look for the API section in your Payoneer account. It might be under a more advanced settings menu. Copy these API keys carefully, then go back to your Shopify payment settings and paste them into the designated fields. Once you have pasted your API keys, ensure all other necessary details are filled in correctly. It's important to double-check these details for accuracy to avoid any transactional hiccups. After confirming, you may need to test the payment gateway to ensure it's working correctly. You can do this by making a test purchase on your own store to see if the Payoneer checkout appears as expected and processes the transaction smoothly. Once you're satisfied that everything is in working order, you can make the payment method live on your site, allowing your customers to use Payoneer as a payment option. That's it. Your Shopify store is now set up to accept payments via Payoneer. Integrating this system can provide an added layer of convenience for your customers and open up your business to a broader global audience, giving you a competitive edge. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for enhancing your store's payment options.